Today we are going to learn about implementing Agentic RAG, a step-by-step guide. You will gain skills in integrating autonomous reasoning capabilities into AI systems. Welcome to our detailed guide on implementing Agentic RAG. In this video, we'll explore how to integrate Agentic RAG into AI systems, enhancing them with autonomous reasoning capabilities. This is crucial for AI developers who are looking to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with practical techniques to integrate Agentic RAG into your existing AI frameworks. Before diving into the implementation of Agentic RAG, it's crucial to establish a solid foundation. First, a firm understanding of AI and machine learning concepts is essential. This includes familiarity with algorithms, neural networks, and the basics of data processing. Knowledge of programming languages such as Python, Java, or C++ is also necessary, as these are commonly used in developing AI systems. Additionally, familiarity with AI frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras can greatly facilitate the integration process. A basic understanding of reasoning engines is also beneficial, as it will aid in grasping the nuances of Agentic RAG. These foundational skills are paramount for successfully implementing Agentic RAG into existing AI models.
Selecting the right tools and frameworks is a pivotal step in implementing Agentic RAG. Start by identifying AI frameworks that align with your project goals and technical requirements. Consider the compatibility of these tools with your existing systems to ensure seamless integration. Scalability is also a crucial factor. The chosen tools should be able to grow with your project. Decide between open-source tools, which offer flexibility and community support, and proprietary tools that might provide specialized features and dedicated support. Evaluate the level of community support available for each tool, as this can be invaluable for troubleshooting and learning. Making informed decisions about tools and frameworks will lay a strong foundation for your Agentic RAG implementation.
Designing a robust architecture is crucial for integrating Agentic RAG into AI systems. Begin by understanding your current system architecture, identifying potential points for integration. A modular design approach can greatly enhance flexibility, allowing individual components to be updated or replaced with minimal disruption. Clearly identify the integration points where Agentic RAG will interact with existing components. Ensure that the system architecture allows for flexibility and scalability, accommodating future updates and expansions. Comprehensive documentation is essential throughout this process, detailing the architecture design, integration points, and any changes made. This will facilitate maintenance and troubleshooting, providing a clear roadmap for future development.
The reasoning engine is the heart of Agentic RAG, responsible for autonomous decision-making. Start by identifying the core components of the reasoning engine, such as inference mechanisms and knowledge representation. Design your inference mechanisms to process inputs and generate outputs based on defined logic and rules. Utilize knowledge representation techniques to organize information in a manner the engine can easily access and interpret. Implement decision-making processes that allow the engine to evaluate options and select the best course of action. Testing and refining the reasoning logic is crucial, ensuring the engine makes accurate and reliable decisions. This iterative process will enhance the engine's performance, providing a solid foundation for Agentic RAG. Integrating Agentic RAG with existing AI models requires careful analysis of compatibility and data flow. Begin by analyzing your current AI models, identifying their strengths and limitations in relation to RAG integration. Ensure that data flows seamlessly between the reasoning engine and AI models, facilitating real-time processing and decision-making. Adapt your models to accommodate the unique requirements of RAG, addressing any potential limitations or conflicts. It's important to continuously monitor the integration process, identifying and addressing issues as they arise. This ensures the models function optimally, leveraging Agentic RAG's capabilities to enhance overall system performance.
Rigorous testing and validation are essential to ensure the successful implementation of Agentic RAG. Develop comprehensive test cases and scenarios that cover a wide range of conditions and inputs. Utilize simulation environments to safely test the system's performance and identify potential issues. Validate the accuracy of the reasoning engine's decisions, ensuring they align with predefined expectations and objectives. Iterative testing is crucial. Continually refine and improve the system based on test results and feedback. This process not only ensures the system functions correctly but also enhances its reliability and robustness, providing confidence in its real-world applications.
During the implementation of Agentic RAG, you may encounter common pitfalls that can hinder progress. Identifying these potential issues early on is key to successful integration. Develop strategies for troubleshooting, focusing on isolating and resolving specific problems. Implement comprehensive error logging to capture detailed information about any issues that arise. This can greatly facilitate troubleshooting efforts by providing insights into the root causes of problems. Utilize community resources, such as forums and online communities, to gain insights and solutions from others who have faced similar challenges. Embrace continuous learning and adaptation, as the field of AI is rapidly evolving, and staying updated with the latest advancements is essential for overcoming challenges and achieving success. Exploring case studies of successful Agentic RAG implementations provides valuable insights and inspiration. Real-world examples demonstrate the tangible benefits and impact of integrating autonomous reasoning into AI systems. Analyze the success factors that contributed to these implementations, identifying key strategies and best practices that can be applied to your own projects. Lessons learned from these case studies offer invaluable guidance, highlighting potential challenges and effective solutions. The impact on AI systems is often significant, enhancing their capabilities and performance. Use these case studies as inspiration for future projects, envisioning the possibilities and potential of agentic RAG in advancing AI technology. In conclusion, we've covered the essential steps for successfully implementing agentic RAG in AI systems. From understanding prerequisites to designing architecture, developing reasoning engines, and integrating with existing models, each step is crucial in enhancing AI capabilities. The importance of agentic RAG lies in its ability to provide AI systems with autonomous reasoning, expanding their potential and effectiveness. We encourage you to explore these concepts further, applying them to your projects and contributing to the advancement of AI technology. We invite your feedback and questions, fostering a collaborative learning environment where we can all continue to grow and innovate.